Elon Musk's AI company xAI has officially launched Grok 3. Well, they claim this is faster, smarter, and possibly a little unhinged, with enhanced reasoning capabilities and new tools like DeepSearch, big brain, and massive computer behind it. Grok 3 is setting new benchmarks in AI performance. I'm so glad this is not deep research, another deep research with the top AI companies. I'm glad they used DeepSearch. Grok 3 isn't just an one AI model, it's a family of models, each designed for different needs. Here's the lineup. Grok 3, the flagship model built for deep reasoning and powerful responses. And then comes your Grok 3 Mini, which is a faster but slightly less accurate version of the real-time conversations. And then comes your Grok 3 Mini Reasoning, designed for advanced problem solving, math coding, science-related questions, queries. Well, this Grok 3 Mini Reasoning is still in beta version. It's not available yet, which will soon be. But guess what? It doesn't matter if you're looking for AI tutor, research assistant, or simply a chatbot. xAI has got it all for you. This has always been bothering me, so let's talk about the name. Grok. Well, it sounds really cool, but this is just not a cool sounding name. There probably is a reason behind it. It actually comes from the 1961 sci-fi novel Stranger in a Strange Land by Robert A. Heinlein. In the book, Grok is a Martian word that means to completely and deeply understand something, where to a point you kind of become a part of it. Well, I think this is kind of appropriate for Elon. But here's what went down. Grok 3 was trained on synthetic datasets, reinforcement learning, self-correction mechanism. That means it doesn't just spit out information, it actually learns from its mistakes and improves over time. And all of this is happening at xAI's state-of-the-art data center located in Memphis, Tennessee, where the massive supercomputer lives. Meet Colossus, the AI supercomputer behind Grok 3. This was just built in 122 days. And this is one of the most powerful AI training supercomputers in the world. This is probably like the Avengers headquarters of the Avengers, but for AI. And looking at all those engineers, they look very, very young. I'm really jealous. Well, this was built using 200,000 GPUs. Yes, you heard that right. 200,000 graphic processing units working together, 200 million GPU hours, and 250 megawatts of power. This power is enough to run a small town for days. But here's the real kicker. Of course, it has to be NVIDIA's state-of-art H100 Tensor Core GPUs designed for this large-scale AI models. These chips provide the horsepower needed to process this enormous data sets at lightning speed while still maintaining the energy efficiency. Well, when you're running 200,000 GPUs at full power, things get really hot. And that's why xAI built a custom liquid cooling system to keep the Colossus from melting down. This is an advanced liquid cooling system that circulates coolants through the entire system and keeps those computers really or the appropriate temperature. And of course, this has to be powered by Tesla Megapack that helps with the power surges and of course, energy fluctuations. Let's talk about the benchmarks. What is surprising to me is right now, Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini are leading the chart while leaving behind DeepSeek, Claude, and GPT-4o. Keep in mind, these are reasoning models. So you compare apples to apples, oranges to oranges, and clearly they did not compare Grok 3, the reasoning model, with O3 Mini, O3 Mini Medium, or O3 Mini High. And also what was missing is Arc AGI. Of course, if you were in the AGI world, I would love to see where you stand in this AGI chart. That was also missing. I couldn't find it. But if you can, let me know in the comment section below. And I also think the Code Force benchmark was missing. But not to worry, Rex from X, he had a post on how he compared the O3 model with Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini. And he also went one step further and compared O3 Mini High with Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini. Let's talk about the cost now. Well, if you are X Premium user, subscriber that pays $50 a month, then this Grok 3 is automatically included. But if you're looking for that Super Grok plan, then $30 a month or $32.92 a month bonus features. So if you're a casual user, $50 a month might feel steep. But if you need a high-level AI assistant for your research, coding, or business, then Super Grok is your answer for now. Well, let's take a look at what features this has. Well, it has DeepSearch, which is AI-powered research tool that scans the internet and X, of course, and analyzes information, provides, all the detailed response to your queries and aims to rival similar offering from competitors like OpenAI, Perplexity, Claude. And they claim that they will also be including the APIs in the coming weeks. And the next is the Think mode. Allows Grok 3 to take more time to process complex queries. And it also utilizes this additional computing resource for improved accuracy and particularly useful for probably solving intricate problems or using large data sets. And then you have the big brain mode. This is an enhanced reasoning capability available only in Super Grok plan. Leverages the full potential of Grok 3's neural networks, the supercomputing, the advanced problem solving, and this is used for tackling high complex tasks that require, they claim, deep analytic thinking. Let's address the elephant in the room. Unhinged mode. Unlike the other AI models that refuse to answer sensitive and controversial questions, Grok 3 is designed to give more unfiltered responses. This kind of sparks debate on AI safety and misinformation. But keep in mind, this has been trained on synthetic data and users' posts from Twitter, X. So this feature raises concerns about bias and data ethics. Well, not to worry, Elon does acknowledge that Grok 3 initially leaned left politically and promised bias correction and strategies, including refining synthetic data techniques and using that reinforcement learning with human feedback. However, achieving a true neutrality in AI is very complex to me. So how do you access it? This is available in your X platform. All you have to do is click on Grok. And as you can see, I do not have the Grok 3, which is in beta version right now, but they're rolling it out for all X users and they asked us to hold on. Well, that's all I have for you today. What do you think? Is Grok 3 the future of AI or just another tech trend? Drop a comment, hit a like, subscribe for more AI deep dives. And like always, happy teaching and please take care of yourself.